Hello students, in this video we are going to solve square root of x over 1 minus x plus square root of 1 minus x over x. This is equals to 13 over 6, and here we will find out the value of x. Here we will apply substitution. If we put square root of x over 1 minus x, this is equals to m. Now if we take reciprocal both side, then in left hand side 1 minus x over x, this is equals to 1 over m. Here this expression is replaced by m plus, and this whole expression is replaced by 1 over m. This is equals to 13 over 6. If we multiplied both sides 6 times m and here 6 times m, then this 6 times m is multiplied by m, 6 times m square, plus 1 over m is multiplied by 6 times m, then 6, and this 6 is cancelled out. 13 times m, if we take in left hand side, then here minus 13 times m, and this is equals to 0. Here 6 times m square minus 13 times m plus 6, this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation in terms of m. So first we will find out the value of m. Here 6 times m square minus 13 times m plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply middle term split. 6 times m square minus 13 times m is same as minus 9 times m minus 4 times m plus 6, and this is equals to 0. Here if we take common 3 times m, then 6 times m square is divided by 3 times m. Here 2 times m minus 9 times m divided by 3 times m, that is minus 3. Here if we take common negative 2, then minus 4 times m is divided by minus 2, then we get 2 times m, and plus 6 is divided by minus 2, then we get minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Here 2 times m minus 3, 2 times m minus 3, if we take common, then 2 times m minus 3 if is common, then here 3 times m minus 2, this is equals to 0. And we know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. So by using this rule, here 2 times m minus 3, this is equals to 0, 3 times m minus 2, this is equals to 0. So here value of m is 3 over 2, and here value of m is 2 over 3. And look carefully, we know that value of m is square root of x over 1 minus x. Square root of x over 1 minus x. X over 1 minus x, this is equals to 3 over 2. And here this m is replaced by x over 1 minus x, this is equals to 2 over 3. If we take square both side, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root, so here x over 1 minus x, this is equals to, and here if we take square, then 3 square, that is 9 over 4. Now this 4 is multiplied by x, then we get 4 times x, this is equals to 9 is multiplied by 1 minus x, then we get 9 minus 9 times x. Here if we take all the expression in same side, then we'll get 4 times x plus 9 times x, and this is equals to 9. 4 times x plus 9 times x, that is 13 times x, this is equals to 9. If we divide both sides 13, then x is equals to 9 over 13. Now if we take case second is square root of x over 1 minus x, this is equals to here 2 over 3. If we take square both side again, then in left hand side this square is cancelled out by this square root, so x over 1 minus x, this is equals to 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. Here this 9 is multiplied by x, then we get 9 times x, this is equals to 4 is multiplied by 1 minus x, then 4 minus 4x. This negative 4 times x, if we take in left hand side, then here 9 times x plus 4 times x, this is equals to 4. Then 9 times x plus 4 times x is 13 times x is equals to 4. Now if we divide both sides, 13, then x is equals to 4 over 13. Here two possible values. First value of x is 4 over 13 and second value of x is 9 over 13. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.